with the power and intensity of all that I am, I'm drawing forth from you in this moment the culmination of all of the questions that I've asked to date, with a knowing that you are about to deliver the most profound answer that I have ever requested.
However,
oh shit, this is where I get beaten up. I'm willing to play the game.
we are enjoying this. In other words, everything that you just said has already happened to you. In other words, you've had conversations, you've been listening to this material, you know it as well as we do. You understand the vibrational basis of things. You are a really powerful, deliberate focuser. Your vortex is ripe with all kinds of things that you want. And so let's take this opportunity to take something specific that you want and talk it into the specifics. Your words are magnificent. Our value to you is to know, for you to know, and for us to reflect back to you if the words that you are speaking. So our assumption is, and it's accurate, that you're in the receptive mode. You couldn't express what you did just now if you were not. So you're in the receptive mode. So all of the energy that creates worlds is flowing through you. Pick some subject and speak the specifics of it to us, and let's figure out what could be tweaked to put you more in harmony with what you really mean.
As conscious creators, how do we ascend, will we ever ascend, above and beyond the self-servient questions of this lifetime, to ascend beyond that of this group's collective?
You are the creator.
Not to dance.
You get to take it wherever you want it to go.
Not to dance to any one particular
only your
individual's vision.
Only your intentionality.
But
you only dance to your intentionality. You're dancing
but to dance harmoniously in tune with everything that this universe is.
There's no possible way that you cannot dance in tune, because law of attraction will not allow mismatched partners to come together in any way, in anything. The harmonics are assured. Law of attraction will assure the harmonics. You get to define and discover and practice through the conversation that we're wanting to draw from you, the harmony.
So how to ascend beyond?
Because you see, what we often do as we visit together is that we get into these philosophical discussions, and we take the discussion of how it all works deeper and deeper, but now it's time to play the game of creation. Now it's time to apply the mathematical understandings. Now it's time to apply the philosophical roots. Now it's time to be the receptive mode creator that you are, and focus it toward what matters to you. Because what matters to you is all that matters. What matters to you is all that matters. You become such servers of the masses, or you become such teachers of the masses. We want you to experience the feeling of the energy that creates worlds flowing through you, and we want you to specifically and selfishly flow this world creating energy towards something that matters to you. And as you do, we'll help you know if you're letting it flow or if you've got it blocked up in some way. We'll help you find the vibration that matches what you mean, because we've seen the vortex. We know what's in it.
Then my work here is done, because I realize I'm already harmoniously dancing with the abundance of the relationships that are flowing into my life, my finances, my health, my wealth, my vibration, my vitality, my abundance in total.
Then your work here is done.
I know. Thank you.
You never get it done. Never get it done. So you're saying you're satisfied for now. You never get it done. You never get it done. You never get it done. So you're satisfied for now. But you know, how about now? 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 Now? How about 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 now?